they very friendly. They know any guest will come and try to get picture, and they know like make some action. They know like model things. Yeah. See?
Look at those faces. It's incredible.
Look at beady eyes.
So many in one spot.
I know they're all just in the trees
They
staring.
have got your hairstyle, haven't they? They're all little Mohicans.
Yes.
Another cheeky monkey.
King of the chicken.
This one's scary. This one's so scary. They're all just scared. Oh my god, Mummy, have you looked?
Why they're staring at
Oh,
us all.
one is like this.
And you know, guys, this monkey also called eating crab monkey. Yeah, you know what they call in the mangrove forest area. So this monkey is very smart or clever. Yeah, they will like fishing. They try to catch the
There's another one
crab
coming up.
and mention of the haul. Yeah, they just use the tail and like fishing. After they catch the crab, they will eating the crab.
Can you sit